Deadline to address expiring Affordable Care Act subsidies is approaching fast, and Republican lawmakers say they are working on 3 different bills to counter a Democratic proposal for a 3-year extension of the tax credits enacted during the pandemic. For more on this, let's bring in CBS News congressional reporter Taurean Small, who's live on Capitol Hill. So, Taurean, break down what's in these 3 different versions between the House and the Senate.
Yeah, so we're looking at variations of what Democrats have brought out. We've seen a Republican proposal that would see these tax subsidies expanded through 2027. So not quite the 3-year leeway or room that Democrats were looking at in their proposal. But then we're also seeing an emphasis on, as the president says, putting money in the pockets of individuals instead of insurers. That's why Republicans are making this concerted effort to push federal funds to HSAs or healthcare saving funds, and that is a part of a plan that will be known as side by side. So Democrats will get their chance first with their bill on the floor tomorrow, and then Republicans would put their HSA plan on the floor after. Whether or not there's consensus to pass both is to be seen, Vlad.
All right, so I guess then the question becomes, how likely are any of these proposals then to pass?
Yeah, considering they're taking a go-at-it-alone approach, it's not likely that other sides will come to the support of it. And this was a major gamble for Democrats during the government shutdown. This was the key piece of leverage that they had, and they said that they wanted a guarantee that Republicans would support this. While Leader Thune didn't say exactly he would be supporting it, in fact, now he's saying he doesn't support the proposal that Democrats are putting out, he did say, and he's going to fulfill that promise, that he'll bring it to the floor for a vote. But here's what lawmakers had to say about this headed into today.
For many people, this is absolutely a matter of life and death. This is a real crisis, and it's one that Republicans have needlessly created.
Well, I'm concerned about extending a program that's just never going to produce quality results. I'd like to make drugs more affordable. So how do you do that? You change the system that makes them too high.
At the same time, Republican Congressman Brian Fitzpatrick, a swing state Republican in Pennsylvania, is also moving forward with the bipartisan proposal that hasn't been supported by leadership yet, but that would see an extension of this for another 2 years. Republicans and Democrats seem to not agree just yet on this, but I should remind our voters, these subsidies are set to expire at the end of the year. If that happens, that means higher premiums for Americans moving forward.
Oh, boy. All right, Taurean Small for us. Taurean, thank you very much.